Welcome to No Filler Fixes. So your Ninja Combi is making a hissing sound during operation? Let's figure out why it happens and how to fix it right away. We'll start with the simplest explanations first and work our way up to the more complicated solutions if needed. First, understand that a slight hissing sound is normal during cooking. The Ninja Combi releases steam as part of its pressure or air frying functions, which can create a hissing noise. If the sound is faint and consistent, it's likely just the appliance doing its job. Next, check if the vent or exhaust system is partially blocked. A restricted vent can cause louder or irregular hissing sounds as steam tries to escape. Inspect the vents for obstructions like grease buildup or debris and clean them carefully using a soft brush or cloth. After that, inspect the gasket or sealing ring for damage. A worn-out or misaligned gasket can allow steam to escape unevenly, creating a noticeable hissing sound. If the gasket is cracked or loose, replace it immediately following the instructions in your user manual. If the issue persists, ensure the lid is properly closed and locked. An improperly sealed lid can let steam escape, causing a louder hissing noise. Rotate the lid gently until you hear a click, ensuring it's fully secured. And there you go! Your Ninja Combi's hissing sound should now either be resolved or explained as normal operation. If the sound is still unusually loud or concerning, there could be a deeper issue with the internal components or seals. We've added a link to the user manual at the top of the video description for more guidance, or you can reach out to customer support for further assistance.